Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, now I am going to show you the second program, how to execute using Python interpreter. As usual, click on start button. First, keep open the Python interpreter. Now it is open. Click on file, then select the new file. Now I am giving the program name here. That is program to enter two integers and perform all the arithmetic operations So now I am starting as usual. A equals int, then input, enter the first number as we have used in the first program. Enter the first number. Here as required you can give colon or equals anything. Next, after this B, then it is also integer type, then input, after that enter the second number. Okay, we are using two numbers here, the first number as well as the second number. Okay, as we have opened the two parentheses and here we need to close the. Now start the arithmetic operation, that is s equal to a plus b, that is addition, sum, then difference, d equal to a minus b. Okay, after that product equals a, in the place of into we will use star a star b, then q1, it means quotient 1 equals a slash b. After that quotient 2, okay, quotient 2 equals a double slash b. Okay, here we are finding the second quotient, then remainder equal to a modulus b. Okay, we are doing all these operations, addition, then here it is subtraction, okay, multiplication, division, finding quotients in two ways, and modulus, that is finding the remainder. Okay, then to look it little beautiful we are using print, that is printing the result of all the arithmetic operations. Okay, like this we are using. Then after that here we have not used any function, these are the simple programs. Okay, when using functions I will tell what to do. Then addition, okay, equal to get the result here, comma, for addition we have used yes. Okay, put comma, then yes. After that print, then subtraction, or you can give as you like. Okay, equals, then for subtraction put comma, we have used d. Then after that print, then multiplication equals, close double quote, put comma, then for multiplication we have used product, that is p. Okay, next print division. Okay, print division, then close, put q1, that is quotient 1 we are using. Okay, then print, then again here we will use quotient, actually here it is equal sign. I am showing everything, if you do mistakes also you can clarify them clearly. Then q, put comma, then q2. Okay, q2 here you have to give. After that the last thing, that is print here, okay, remainder. Okay, what is remaining, sorry, close double quotes, put comma here, put comma, then R. Okay, after that close. And one more thing I would like to tell you, that here, like C and C++, we are not using any semicolon and all at the end of every statement. So this is very easy and simple, like the English language, not difficult like C or C++. Okay, now let's save the program. At first click on file, save, then I am giving program 2, that is arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. Okay, extension we have to give as py, as we're using the Python interpreter. Okay, I am selecting my own folder where I stored last time. Okay, program 1 we have saved. Now program 2 we are seeing. So little changes I'm doing here in the name of the program, that is program 2. And one more thing, while giving name, don't give any spaces in between the program name. Okay, as I'm use the same type. Click on save. Next, click on run, then run module. See, yes, we have entered clearly without any syntax error. Okay, let us see what will happen later. The first number I'm giving A as 10 and the second number I'm giving B as 5. Let's see. Yes, it is showing some error. Addition is okay 15, subtraction is okay 5, multiplication is 50, quotient 1 is okay, quotient 2 is okay. Okay, but in the remainder we have got some error. See here, print, I think I have used P as uppercase. Okay, instead of using the lowercase p. So like this it will show us the error. See here, so it is showing black in color, not in purple, like all these how they are showing. So we need to remove P uppercase, we need to give the lowercase, that is capital letter to small letter. Okay, then click on run module, then click OK. See, it is asking and giving the same numbers 10. So here we have to enter the number 10. Then I am giving 5. First one is the bigger number because we are doing addition, subtraction, division and all. For that, the first one is the bigger number, the second is the A is the bigger number, the second B is the smaller number. Enter. See, now we have got the result, printing the result of all the arithmetic operation. Addition 15, subtraction 10 minus 5 is 5, multiplication 10 into 5 is 50, division 10 divided by 5, yes, 2.0, quotient, yes, it is 2, remainder, when 5 divides 10, okay, then remainder is 0. Like this we will do the execution of Python program using Python interpreter. We will come back with our next program. Till then, keep subscribing the channel and do comments on these videos. We'll come back again. Till then, thank you.